Hi, this is Bass, and this is a quick video tutorial on creating reusable AngularJS components using Twitter Bootstrap. Let's get started. I have a simple application over here where I'm referencing jQuery, AngularJS, and the Bootstrap files, and I'm referencing the generated JavaScript from our TypeScript as out.js. This is being generated from grunt.ts in the background. And I have a simple controller that has a property called message and property called progress and a member function called increase progress, and the controller exposes itself as VM on the scope. Now I'm going to bind that controller to my HTML. I have a button that's bound to the VM.increaseProgress function. I have a div that's bound to the VM.messageValue, and I have another div that has been styled so that its width represents the VM.progress value. Now I'm going to show the rendered HTML. You can see the button that's bound to the VM.increaseProgress function, a div that's bound to the VM.messageValue, and a final div that's bound to the VM.progress. Now if I click me, you can see that the progress value is increasing. Now let's go ahead and make this particular segment of HTML reusable. I'm going to cut this and paste this into its own file. I'm going to format this file a bit better. I'm going to save this file, and as soon as I save this file, grunt.ts is going to create a TypeScript file for me that contains the HTML content of that file stored as a TypeScript string that allows me to use this HTML from within my TypeScript. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new directive definition. I'm going to call this progress bar directive.ts. I've already added a reference to my reference file, and I'm just going to register it with Angular using the module's directive function. It's going to be called progress bar, and this is my directive definition function, which is going to return something of type ng.iDirective, and the body contains a restriction that it's allowed on elements, attributes, and classes, and then my scope. So I'm going to take a click function, a message string, and a progress value. And I'm going to specify the template based on the newly created HTML file, progressbar.html. Now I'm going to update the template to use the scope values. This will get renamed to click, this will get renamed to simply message, and this will get renamed to progress. Now wherever I need to reuse this component, all I need to do is to create an element called progress bar, because that's what I call my directive, and specify a click handler, same as before. Specify a message value, which is going to be a string, so I'm going to interpolate my VM.message value, and a progress value, which is going to be my VM.progress. And now if I refresh this, you can see that we've created a reusable component. We can even have two of these work in sync. So if I create another one, and if I refresh my page, you can see that they are synchronized. Now there is a lot more to creating AngularJS directives. The objective of this video was to ease you into the process and show you how simple it can be. The source code is available on GitHub. Check the links in the description. If you want to see more and enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. Till next time, good day, mate.